Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and if you know my channel, you know that I really like Federal Lock. Federal Lock are made in Taiwan, but they're made to surprisingly good standards, and they make locks for a lot of very famous lock companies as well. I mean, just look at the types of locks that they do make. Here's the Federal 500. I know it's got a Schlage cylinder in it, but I mean, yeah, it's just a really lovely padlock, that one. I've got another 650 here. This has got a special core in there. It's a Schlage Primus SX. Really gorgeous, big, chunky lock. And you can sort of see why I like these. They're really awesome. And the cores that Federal make can be really brilliant as well. So let's have a look at one of these. This is, that is actually the model. It's an EL812. It's a 50mm laminated, plastic coated padlock. Right, let me just clear everything away and we'll get picking. So first up, let's have a go at single pin picking this. I'm going to use my monkey paw because I can, and we'll just have a go. And we're already pin 5 into a bit of false set. It's going back through, pin 4 there, back through, 1, and we are open. That wasn't particularly long, was it? I did drop into a false set, but the spools felt very shallow on that. Okay, let's try raking, and I'm going to use the aboner, and I'm just going to put some moderate tension on like this, and go. And we're open again. Can you guess why? Can you? Yep, it's because once again, we found a padlock with a bitting which is essentially just flat. Even though it's got spools in there and it does kind of fall into a little false set. I mean, Federal, you've let me down. They do some absolutely brilliant, great fun locks, not even joking. Some brilliant bitting. This is not one of those occasions, I'm afraid. Take, for example, these keys, which are for a Federal core that I have, and compare it to this. And you can see that the difference is quite remarkable, isn't it? I wish it was a lot more like this and like that. So clearly Federal are capable of making great locks, but just not all the time. So if you do buy one of these, you can see the key, try and get one with a good bitting. Anyway, short video, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you've got a comment, leave a comment. Let me know whether you are also a Federal fan. I can forgive them the odd mistake. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel out. And I'll see you all next time.